how to remove oil. First, you have to open that and get all the oil out into
Stay away. Stop touching the oil.
Look at me. Smile.
Oh.
There, once it's probably done draining. There, when we gotta go inside.
This part up, okay? I'm gonna speed this part up.
Jingle
Sing
bell,
again.
jingle bell rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell. I'm done. Daddy, what I'm gonna do with this box?
Here, let me just show you it.
Jingle bell, jingle bell.
This is
No! Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. What?
There's a spider on it.
Where?
Okay, it looks like it's done flowing. Cute.
Daddy?
Say
Why?
goodbye.
Okay. Give me
What's inside? Daddy, what's inside?
the new oil filter.
New
A new
oil
filter.
filter?
Oopsie.
New oil filter?
And then you have to change the oil filter. This.
Daddy, Daddy, how hot is it? Not hot?
Guys,
John
get out of the way so I can work. Okay?
Daddy, can you hold this box?
Yes. No, I need that box.
Oh!
I'll destroy it.
Daddy, I'm putting it down right here.
Why do you need the box?
Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Why do you need the box?
Austin!
I was going to run it over. Peppa, move. I'm running over the box.
I need that box
For what?
because I gotta put the old oil filter.
Ran it over. Oily. Be careful. You have to wipe it first before you put the new filter on. Quiet.
Austin, get inside!
No, I'm doing this.
Then I'm gonna go grill.
You can see. You have to tighten it with a wrench. Now open the plate to the spot in your newly oil. Wipe it off.
I need that, please.
What?
I need that.
What?
That.
This?
Phone.
Why? Next step. We'll be back after an ad. Subscribe right now. Link in the description. Okay. If you need this funnel, quick fill. Then put it in like my dad's doing. Creator of the channel. Not really, it's me. Don't tell him. And you put it in like that. And if you want to buy this, like quick fill from flow tool. I'm gonna dump your oil. Can I do this for you? Hey.
Hold it. Look, do you see how it's filling up and draining?
You want to grab your oil from John Deere turf guard and then start pouring. One liter gone.
Oh, leave it in there.
Oil batch 2. Look at the description. It's from this company back. Pause it if you want to read. Dump it slowly and you need this funnel. Don't take it out like I did. And once the funnel starts to fill up like that, stop pouring. Wait till it goes down, then pour more. Pour slowly and steadily. Wait, and pour more. Good. Don't recap. Ad break. Take out the funnel when you're done. Put this long cap stinging back in. Do not touch the engine or this. Very, very, very hard. It can burn you. Warning, kids, do not try this. Do not touch that, these cables, or anything inside here, except for the outside. And this. Adult supervision you need. Danger.
I need my phone back, please.
Okay. Next step, you want to pull this cord off for adult supervision. Very careful when you do it. Just like that. You want to unhook it from that thing. And there's one on the other side too. Hold this so it doesn't wobble wobble. And then so we're gonna break out a 13/16 oil cap after you unplug both the caps. You find it yet? You find it? I'm gonna just do a time lapse. Okay, you want to break out your 13/16 from there. You want to, after you loosen up, you take out the spark plugs. You want to loosen up that. mushy. You want to grab out this for me, a boxy? Warning, do not remove cover of the battery. Battery. You might want to look at the lawnmower. Just to demonstrate from afar. That's what the lawnmower looks like. Here. So you want to go over there and then change and do what my dad's doing to change. Just ding dong, I know you can hear me. Open up the door. Who said that? I just wanna play a little ding dong. I know you can hear me. Open up the door. Okay, something's wrong. Just wanna play a little ding dong. I know. And then you're gonna want to put the new thing in, like I showed you. Put that cap, like when I showed you, take it off. And then you want to do the same to the other side, but this is not the old one that we took out, it's the new one. So you want to do the same to this side. Oh no, Daddy, the oh yeah video from the solar eclipse broke 150 views. Yeah. And your other one broke 500. All the solar eclipse broke 100 views. The highest one broke 550. Did you say it would go viral? Link at the end of the video. Go watch the solar eclipse videos. Make sure to tell all your friends to make the oh yeah viral. It's not the video name, my dad said it. I'm gonna take is that the new one or old? So you want to put the old one in the box and put the new one back on. And if you want to buy the kit, it's from John Deere. Here. Read the top is English. Pause the video if you want to read it. And then you have to do the same to the other side. But this is, you have to take out the old one, put in the new one. If you don't understand with this video, you can watch another one. But please make this go viral and hit the subscribe button down below. And let's get back. Okay, let me move the cap that we took out. Just for the viewers to see. Oh! Want to tighten that up with your 14 by 16. Tighten it very good. Very good. Take it out. And then plug this cap back in. You want to take the sting out, not the actual sting. I put it if you understand me. Tighten it, that cap. Real good. Next step, you're going to want to change that air filter from the top. You'll want to open this up. You're going to need adult supervision to change the air filter.
Okay, I need the video, please.
Okay. So there's a clamp that you want to get to. If you're on the other side, you better go to this side. It's easier. It's under, like over there, if you see. And you want to get that. Here. Once you get it, don't do that. You want to get the old air filter out. Where should we put this? Just toss it. And then you want to grab the new filter from your box. Shiny. That's the old one. That's the new one. And that's the old one over there. And once you grab that new air filter, you're going to want to plop it in there. You're going to plop it in there.
Move the nut so I can tighten it.
And you're going to want to move that nut over there and to tighten it up. Like how you loosened it, tighten it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Wait.
The door opened. What? Oh. You just may have to figure out how to do that. Do that. Then once it's in the right position, close it back up. And then for the last step, you want to change that cap over there that's dirty with this new one.
Yeah, we don't need to do that.
Why?
It's clean.
Last step after you change the air filter. This is optional, but it's the fuel/gas filter over there. You don't have to change it every now and then. Like maybe I'd say, Daddy, how long is the gas filter good for?
Probably a couple years.
Couple years or so, 3 or 4, 2. Yeah, I just want to change it every few years or so. But the oil every 1. And that's probably all for the video. Then you're gonna want to close this top. Daddy, can you hold it? Once you got everything done, those tightened, that changed the oil drain and changed new oil filter. You're gonna want to close this top. Be careful. You may want an adult to do this, but I'm. Okay, try not to get your fingers stuck. And then you close it like that. You're going to want to put the old one in there. This you're going to have to take, what all the oil is, you're going to want to take to a company, expose it. And then Daddy, when was the last time you changed the fuel filter? You haven't changed it since you got it? When did you get it? Last year? So we got this lawnmower about 2 years ago, Daddy. So we should change it next year. So like every 2-3 years you change for. You're gonna want to wipe that off. And then use gloves too to change the oil. And then your lawnmower is good to go to mow your grass because ours is long. This thing's installable. You're going to want to toss this old air filter out. And then your lawnmower is going to be good to drive. And also, kids, please do not try this, but every time my dad mows, I'm trained, so I know how to drive the lawnmower by myself to cut the grass, of course. For the hard spots my dad's doing, but I cut most of the grass with my dad to help me. But kids, you have to have one of your parents, your mom or dad, I don't care, big brother, big sister, to help you drive the lawnmower if it's your first time. I've been doing it for 2 years, just to say. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And also, before we leave, hit the subscribe button below and like button and notifications if you want. It's free for you guys and it'll help me out a lot. Peace. And watch this video too. Subscribe.